Boom! What's up, folks? It's your boy, James R. Davidson, coming to you live once again with another Real Crypto Talk. Today is April the 12th. Happy anniversary to my beautiful, lovely wife on today. So let's jump right into Real Crypto Talk. Let's look at the numbers real quick. The market cap is at $2.13 trillion. Okay, I think the last time I did a real crypto talk, I know we was up under 2 trillion. So we've officially crossed over $2.13 trillion, up 1% over the past 24 hours. That's insane, folks. BTC dominance is 52.5%. Ethereum's dominance, it's up 11% right now. Past 24 hours, top gainers, Uniswap, Binance Coin up 18%. I'm sorry. Uniswap up 20%. Maker is up 16%. Chili's is up 15%. Sushi is up 14%. The Graph is up 12%. Wink is down 9%. Dogecoin is down 8.4%. VeChain down 7.4%. That's a sale. Airweave is down 7.2%. Filecoin down 7.0%. Elron is down 6% as well. So let's go right into the news. WWE launches Undertaker's NFTs ahead of WrestleMania. World Wrestling Entertainment has announced 4 tiers of non-fungible tokens ahead of its WrestleMania event. World Wrestling Federation plans to auction off a set of NFTs themed around wrestler The Undertaker. An auction for the highest tier, Platinum NFT, will start at $10,000. WWE is getting in the ring with NFTs. American media company World Wrestling Federation, the World Wrestling Entertainment, I'm old school, still remembered as the WWF, it's the WWE, my bad, will launch a series of non-fungible tokens themed around famous wrestler The Undertaker ahead of its upcoming WrestleMania event, according to a press release shared with Decrypt. Billing the NFT drop as an opportunity to own a digital piece of history. Nick Khan, president of CRO at WWE, added in a statement that this will also allow WWE to deepen our connection with the WWE Universe during our biggest event, WrestleMania. And there you see it. They tweeted it, once in a lifetime opportunity, on their Twitter page. Let's go see how many followers they have, because that is absolutely insane to get that kind of exposure. To get that kind of an exposure, folks, that's insane. 11 million followers follow the WWE, and they just got a tweet that was posted on Twitter. Not gonna have time to look for it, but you see it, folks. That's insane. A lot of exposure there. So I'm not gonna read this long article, but I just wanted to show you how the NFT craze is just going absolutely insane. More news. Galaxy Digital submits a Bitcoin ETF application with the SEC. Mike Novogratz, Digital Galaxy, Galaxy Digital, is the latest Bitcoin exchange traded fund applicant in the United States. Folks, the race is literally on right now for a Bitcoin ETF. Take this off here. Let's see, I got some stuff that possibly need to be shown. Maybe not. It's blocking it for a reason. Anyway, let's read this, because this is huge. This is trillions of dollars that's going to come into Bitcoin specifically. Some of the top coins I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys heard that or not. I was scratching my head. Anyway, I apologize. But a lot of money is about to come into this space. And I'm just going to keep it real with you, all right? So, anyway, Galaxy Digital has submitted a Bitcoin exchange traded fund filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, according to the Form S-1 published by the SEC on Monday. The Galaxy Bitcoin ETF, if approved, will trade on the New York Stock Exchange ARCA exchange with the Bloomberg Galaxy Bitcoin Index tapped as the pricing mechanism. Detailing the price mechanism for the prospective Bitcoin ETF, the filing reads: the end of the day index price is calculated using the Bloomberg Crypto Price Filings, which is the CFIX, mint price for Bitcoin. CFIX is based on pricing provided by the Bloomberg Generic Price, BGN, using Bloomberg's data, technology, and distributed platforms, and is made broadly available to the investment community with the objective of providing cryptocurrency filings that are reliable, representative, and transparent. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, Galaxy Digital, via its financial services subsidiary, launched a Bitcoin ETF product in the Canadian market back in March. Galaxy Bitcoin ETF filing did not list any custodian or administrator. The filing document also did not provide details of the trustee beyond the organization being a Delaware trust company. The Bitcoin ETF filing by Galaxy Digital comes on the heels of a similar application by Fidelity back in March. The SEC yet to approve any Bitcoin ETF, which is absolutely stupidly insane. Stupidly? Is that a word? I'm just saying. Everybody's just saying. Come. Why? What are you guys waiting on, man? Come on, let's get this shit rolling. With the previous leadership citing volatility and price manipulation concerns. The same shit goes on in the damn New York Stock Exchange and the stock market. Come on, man. Let's keep it real. All right, real crypto talk. Let's keep it real, right? Stock market is propped up by fake money. They're printing trillions of dollars, purposely devaluing the dollar. So I mean, let's keep it reading. The SEC is yet to approve any BTF, with the leadership citing volatility and price manipulation concerns. Yeah, right. Okay. Meanwhile, the SEC has less than 2 weeks to deliver its initial response to VanEck's Bitcoin ETF filing, following the Commission's acknowledgement of the submission back in mid-March. MicroStrategy announces Bitcoin bonuses for board of directors instead of cash. Isn't that interesting? I said this a couple of years ago that you guys are going to wake up one day and you're going to be getting paid in Bitcoin, in your salary and your wages. You're going to be getting paid in Bitcoin. Don't be shocked by that, okay? MicroStrategy announces Bitcoin bonuses for board of directors instead of cash. Cash is out of the boardroom and Bitcoin is in. As MicroStrategy announces, it will pay director bonuses in BTC instead of dollars. Well. Ain't that something? That's crazy. Business intelligence firm MicroStrategy announced on Sunday that its board of directors will now receive bonuses in Bitcoin instead of cash. The modified 8K form filed with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission revealed MicroStrategy's decision to dispense with cash bonuses and instead use Bitcoin to compensate those on the company's board. The modified filing states, going forward, non-employee directors will receive all fees for their service on the company's board in Bitcoin instead of cash. MicroStrategy has dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin since the end of 2020, buying small amounts here and there until it eventually accumulated a war chest of over $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. Trillionaire in the next 5 years or less. The 8K forum stated MicroStrategies believed that Bitcoin could function as a reliable store of value and commend its open source nature, which means it isn't beholden to any one corporate entity. In improving Bitcoin as a form of compensation for board service, the board cited its commitment to Bitcoin given its ability to serve as a store of value supported by a robust and public open source architecture, untethered to sovereign monetary policy, states the filing. The dollar amount of bonuses paid to board members will not change under the new system. Instead, the dollar value of the bonuses in question will be converted to Bitcoin at the time of the payment and sent to the director's wallet. The filing elaborates. Under this modified arrangement, the amount of the board fees payable to non-paying directors remains unchanged and will be nominally denominated in USD. At the time of payment, the fees will be converted from USD into Bitcoin by the payment processor and then deposited into the digital wallet of the applicable non-employee director. Absolutely insane. And lastly, Bitcoin goes yellow as Simpsons episode features BTC price rising to infinity. More freaking insane exposure with The Simpsons. The Simpsons, one of the most popular animated sitcoms in TV history, has made a rather bullish prediction for the price of Bitcoin on Sunday's episode of the 31st year running cartoon titled Burger Kings. The characters get into the financial market for stocks of a new Burger King chain created by the town's billionaire, Montgomery Burns, when Margie is checking on her gains during the episode of Crazy Cash, seemingly partingly Jim Cramer's Mad Money. The ticker feeds clearly shows the price of Bitcoin next to a green infinity symbol. Other comedic predictions include the value of the entire United States dropping by a quarter point, GameStop rising by 1 trillion, and Tesla, if you have to ask, you can't afford it. This is not the first time crypto has made an appearance on The Simpsons. Not at all. In 2020, actor Jim Parsons of The Big Bang Theory appeared as a guest star to explain cryptocurrencies and how the distributed ledgers work. I remember that. The actor referred to crypto as the cash of the future before text appeared jokingly stating it can be generated by fiat like traditional currency or just thrown around randomly or all given to LeBron. Some may see Bitcoin's appearance on the show as a bullish sign. Absolutely, it's exposure, of course. Considering that the asset price passed 60,000 again on Monday, it only needs to rise in infinity percent to make the Simpsons predictions come true. Perhaps due to the sheer number of topics the show covers, The Simpsons has seemingly predicted the future many times. Some examples include the Donald Trump president, the outcome of the 3 Super Bowls, the various innovations in technology, such as video chatting, smartwatches, and autocorrect. While the show did seemingly use the media attention surrounding Bitcoin as a punchline, industry players have made their own bullish predictions in recent weeks. Last month, Kraken CEO Jesse Powell said Bitcoin's price is eventually going to infinity, and that expects the crypto asset to reach 1 million in the next decade. So that is your news for today, folks. Here with your boy James R. Davis Sr. with the Real Crypto Talk. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications. We will see you guys on the next video. Peace.